Dolphin. Dolphins are mammals and are carnivores. They live for 45 to 50 years. Shark. Sharks are carnivores. Whale sharks are the biggest sharks and have excellent vision. Seahorses. Seahorses are a type of fish. They like long-term relationships. Many seahorses can change a color in minutes, from black or gray to bright yellow or orange. This ability keeps them well hidden from predators. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are sea animals with a soft, jelly-like body and no bones. They have tentacles or feelers that they use to sting their prey. Sometimes they sting swimming people too. Most often, jellyfish stings cause instant pain and inflame marks on the skin. Killer whale. Killer whales, also known as orcas, are dolphins that live in small, close-knit groups called pods. They are highly intelligent and able to coordinate hunting tactics. Female orcas are thought to live up to 80 years of age or more. Pufferfish. A pufferfish is a fish that is usually poisonous, that normally lives in warm ocean waters and can blow up into a ball several times its regular size, and it is deadly to humans and some animals if eaten. Crab. Crabs are decapods, meaning they have 10 legs. Female crabs can release 1,000 to 2,000 eggs at once. Penguin. Penguins live 15 to 20 years and eat krill. They have flippers, not wings. The black and white coloring of the penguin is actually for camouflage. Blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal in the history of the world. It can grow to a length of 100 feet and weigh up 200 tons. Sea turtle. Sea turtles are one of the world's largest species of turtle. They spend most of their time underwater and can be there for up to 5 hours before coming up to breathe. Octopus. Octopuses live in dens made of rocks and are amazing builders. If threatened, octopus shoot an inky fluid that darkens the water, confusing the aggressor. The octopus can also change to gray, brown, pink, blue, or green to blend in with the surroundings. Shrimp. Shrimp is a small shellfish with long legs and a long body that has hard casing. They are excellent swimmers and are omnivores. Seal. Seals have a thick layer of fat called blubber under the skin to keep them warm in icy water. Seals are warm-blooded, and they can live an average of 25 to 30 years. Starfish. Starfish are star-shaped, but they are not fish. They are invertebrates, which means they're animals without backbones, and they live in the sea. Although these creatures cannot swim, they're very good at crawling, but cannot survive in fresh water. Corals. Did you know that corals are sea animals? They stay in one place throughout their adult lives. Some types produce a skeleton, also called coral, that remains in place after they die. Corals eat plankton, or small fish. Fish. Fish breathe with gills and have small brains. There are over 30,000 different species of fish. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs are small creatures that make for popular pets. They use other animals' shells to make their home and protect their soft bodies, which makes them a crustacean. Clownfish. Clownfish lives in warm waters of sheltered reefs and shallow seas in the Pacific and Indian Ocean. All clownfish are born male, and there are around 30 known species of clownfish. Blue tangfish. The blue tang has a royal blue body, yellow tail, and black pellet design. The blue tang is an herbivore fish, and they mainly survive on algae and planktons.
Yes, and subscribe.